A machine just built an entire house in 24 hours. No, this isn't science fiction. 3D construction printers are revolutionizing how we build homes. These massive machines layer concrete or specialized materials, following digital blueprints to create walls, foundations, and even complex architectural features. What took months now happens in a single day. A typical 3D printed home costs 60% less than traditional construction, uses 30% fewer materials, and produces virtually zero waste. Pioneering companies like Icon in Texas are leading the charge, having already printed entire neighborhoods that are both beautiful and resilient. Meanwhile, in the Netherlands, this technology is so advanced that entire communities now live comfortably in stylish, 3D printed houses. These aren't just experimental prototypes, they are fully functional, vibrant communities. Real homes filled with the daily lives of real families. But let's zoom out to the bigger picture. The global housing crisis is staggering, with over 1 billion people living without safe, adequate shelter. This isn't just a statistic, it's a daily struggle for survival. This is where 3D printing technology becomes more than just an innovation. It's a potential game changer. Imagine providing rapid, resilient disaster relief housing in mere days, or building entire communities of affordable, dignified homes in developing nations, forever changing lives. For a long time, the construction industry hasn't changed much, relying on methods used for decades. But a powerful new technology is rewriting the rules. 3D printing brings automation and precision to building, creating structures layer by layer with minimal waste. This innovation unlocks incredible possibilities. From pioneering habitats on Mars to providing rapid emergency shelters in disaster zones, the applications are vast. We're looking at a future where housing shortages could finally become a thing of the past. The question isn't if this will transform construction, it's how fast it'll happen.